Hey, I'm Ed, your virtual college and career advisor from TrustInEd.org. Let me ask you something. Do you enjoy building things, fixing problems, using tools, or staying active instead of sitting behind a desk all day? If so, you might be someone who thrives working with your hands. And that's a powerful skill set that can lead to high-demand, high-paying careers. Working with your hands isn't just about labor, it's about skill, precision, creativity, and problem solving. These careers are essential to how our world operates every single day. Let's explore some of the paths you can take. Let's start with the skilled trades. Electricians install and maintain electrical systems in homes and buildings. Plumbers work on water systems, pipes, and drainage. HVAC technicians install and repair heating and cooling systems. These careers are always in demand because every building relies on these systems to function properly. If you enjoy building from the ground up, construction careers might be a great fit. Carpenters build structures, frame homes, and create detailed woodwork. Construction workers and equipment operators help bring buildings, roads, and infrastructure to life. These roles require teamwork, physical skill, and attention to detail. If you like working on vehicles or machines, becoming an automotive technician or mechanic is another strong option. These professionals diagnose problems, repair vehicles, and keep people safely on the road. There are also diesel technicians and aircraft mechanics who work on larger, more complex systems. Manufacturing is another area where hands-on skills are critical. Welders join metal parts together using specialized tools and techniques. Machinists create precision parts used in everything from cars to medical devices. These careers combine technical knowledge with physical skill and accuracy. If you enjoy creativity along with hands-on work, careers like construction design, landscaping, or even becoming an artisan or craftsperson could be a great fit. These paths allow you to build, shape, and design things while expressing your creativity. In the healthcare field, there are also hands-on careers. Dental hygienists work directly with patients using tools and equipment. And physical therapy assistants help patients recover movement and strength through guided exercises. These roles combine hands-on work with helping others. If you like being outdoors, you might consider careers like landscaping, agriculture, or environmental work. These jobs involve working with nature, maintaining outdoor spaces, and contributing to sustainability. Even careers like firefighting and emergency services require strong hands-on skills. Firefighters, for example, rely on physical ability, quick thinking, and teamwork to respond to emergencies and protect communities. Here's the key takeaway. If you enjoy working with your hands, you have access to careers that are practical, respected, and often in high demand. Many of these paths don't require a traditional four-year college degree, and instead focus on certifications, apprenticeships, or trade programs, allowing you to start your career faster and with less debt. The next step is figuring out which of these careers matches your interests, your strengths, and the lifestyle you want to live. That's where I come in. On TrustInEd.org, I can help you explore these careers. Understand the training required and build a plan that fits your goals. So if you like to build, fix, create, or stay active, don't overlook it. Working with your hands could be the foundation of your future career. Visit TrustInEd.org and start exploring today, because when you understand your skills, you can build a future with purpose.